Oh, there should be a little blue light on down there.
Yeah. Okay. 2 greens and a blue?
Yeah. Pretty wide, but I eventually know I want to make my way in, and then I'm looking to the right already, really kind of attacking the curbing here. You see how much space I use right there? Just that little bit. And then I make the straightest line possible. Turn onto the brakes, turn in a little bit, turn in a little bit more, start to rotate the car, accelerate off the corner, and then I'm just using all the space I have available to me on the exit. I'm attacking this right side a lot more. I love this car.
Oh,
it's so good.
It's so awesome. Yeah, yours definitely feels more planted and fluid, where mine feels like at any time I could make a mistake and kick it just a little too far.
Yeah, I mean, you can see, and I over-rotated the car a couple times, but you also have to realize that oversteer is much more controllable than understeer, right?
Yeah.
So as the car, I want the car to actually oversteer a bit into that corner, because what'll suck is if I understeer to the right side of the track for that turn 3-4, and then all of a sudden now I'm just fighting the car to get it over to the left-hand side to kind of set up for that next one there.
Okay.
But
So if I push a little more to oversteer, it's not a huge deal.
yeah, I mean, you can see like it came out a little bit, but it's not out of control. And the other thing is you're still trying to turn inwards towards it. So that's the one thing. And then you just kind of saw that next section, that high speed kind of kink to the left. You see kind of how I was letting the car come out just a little bit there. I wasn't kind of fighting to get the car over to the left side too early. I was just kind of letting it kind of drift out a little bit and then bring it back over. And I really wasn't full throttle there. I was just I was like 80% throttle, and then maybe kind of fluctuating between like 60 to 80% that whole time. So I'm not using, where and now I'm on the brakes, and now I'm back on the throttle, and now I'm on the brakes. I'm making my life as easy as I can to try to keep up my average speed. But also what that does is when I get onto the brakes or I get onto the throttle, I'm also shifting the weight a lot. Whereas maybe I can hold a higher average speed. Maybe I can, instead of increasing my speed and then lowering my speed for a corner, if I just kind of hold a higher average speed, the car's a lot more predictable, and I can kind of slide it into the